What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Steezy, and today we're gonna have a little garage vlog. We're gonna be in the garage today. It's been raining here in Arizona all day, and I thought it'd be the perfect time to install some carbon fiber parts. And another thing to the M3 today, if you guys caught my Instagram post when I first posted the F80 M3, I posted a picture and I have like at least 7 to 10 boxes of parts that I ordered before I even got the F80 M3. I just been stacking the parts onto the side, and I knew I was gonna get this, so I was like, you know what, I might as well just get to it and order a whole bunch of parts for it. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And as you guys can see, we're gonna be installing a carbon fiber spoiler to the F80 today. It is the PSM style carbon fiber spoiler for the F80. There's like 5 different style spoilers you can get for this car, and this one's like the most aggressive. But we also have the V style rear diffuser. It's the most aggressive rear diffuser you can get for the F80. So this carbon fiber spoiler, I think, is gonna go perfect with it. It also has the carbon fiber side splitters as well, which is a very aggressive look to it. And yeah, guys, adding some more carbon onto the F80 today. We do have a couple more parts that I want to install today, but we're gonna save that for another video and just install the carbon fiber spoiler. And I also have some LED door lights, so when you open the front doors, it's like a projector light and it flashes the M badge. And I got like the best ones on the market. It's called Open Throttle. I saw this ad all over my Instagram, and maybe you guys saw it as well. This is not a sponsor, I just saw all the videos that they were posting, and it looks like the most crisp, high quality door projectors you can get for your BMWs and stuff. So we're gonna be installing that today. And like I said, it's a beautiful day here in Arizona. It's been raining all morning. It's not currently raining right now, but it's been like off and on and stuff. So perfect weather to be doing this. We're gonna jump right into it. Let's get this carbon fiber spoiler installed. I'm gonna go ahead and move the F80 just a little bit behind the Jeep, and then yeah, let's go ahead and get this F80 M3 looking a lot more aggressive. Let's go. I'm not gonna bore you guys too much. Putting on a carbon fiber spoiler is like literally one of the easiest things you can do, as long as you get in the right placement and got good 3M double-sided tape, you'll be good. And it's usually like the first mod that I do to any of my cars. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on. Like I said, super easy installs today in the garage vlog. It's just raining out here in Arizona, so it's the perfect time. It's only been a couple days since I bought the F80 M3, but I've been meaning to throw these on and pick up the camera and install them. Just this rear PSM spoiler is gonna make such a big difference. And installing the LED door projectors to the M3 is gonna be really cool. Just seeing the M logo project onto the ground at night. And we'll pick up the camera tonight as well, just so I can show you guys how bright and crisp the projectors are once it's like glowing the M logo on the ground. It's gonna be really cool to see. But let's go ahead and throw on this carbon fiber PSM spoiler. Let's get it. I told you guys it was gonna make a huge difference. Just take a look at how aggressive the F80 is sitting now, parked in the garage. Man, I absolutely love this rear spoiler. I ain't gonna lie, I went ahead and ordered the M style, I believe it's called, carbon fiber spoiler, and I put it up and mocked it to see what it would look like, and I did not like it whatsoever, so I went ahead and returned that one, and I knew this is the one I needed to go ahead and order, since I do have the V style rear diffuser like I was saying, and we're gonna be replacing that rear diffuser soon with the carbon fiber one, because right now the previous owner had on like the matte black V style one, so we're gonna replace that with the carbon. So we're just gonna have flooded with carbon on this the F80 M3, and I am hyped. Just take a look at that, guys. It looks so aggressive, and this carbon fiber spoiler is huge. Just look at that. It's almost like the full size of my hand, and man, I'm hyped. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. because there's like 5 different spoilers you can get for this. And I just think this one personally is just the best one. It makes the F80 look aggressive, just like how it should be. That literally took only a couple minutes. I just had to make sure that it was on like perfect and there was no gaps or anything and that it was completely centered. If you guys ever installed a carbon fiber spoiler on a car, it's like one of the easiest things you can do. But now we're gonna move on to the door LED light projectors. Super easy, just pop it out, plug in the new ones, and it's good to go. Today's vlog is just a little video of just chilling out in the garage. Like I said, I'm sorry it's not too exciting. We haven't even gone on our first real drive in the M3. It's only been a few days. Like I said, I did register it here in my state and I have the paper tags, and I cannot wait for my custom plates to arrive so I can go ahead and throw it on. Give you guys a little hint. But yeah, that should be showing up maybe in the next week or so. And I'm gonna be driving the F80 everywhere. And in a couple of days, I'll pick up the camera and we'll go ahead and go on our first real drive in the M3 here in my city. And yeah, guys, I'm hyped. New carbon fiber parts finally getting installed. Man, I remember dreaming about wanting to install these parts to my F80 once I got one day. And now we in the garage doing that. But yeah, let's move on to the next. And here's another quick look of how the carbon fiber spoiler is sitting on the M3 right now. Looks so aggressive, guys. Looks so wide. Man, hell yeah. I'm so glad I went with this spoiler. Because like I said, I had the other one, returned that shit right back. Now we got the PSM, and just look at that aggressiveness of the spoiler. But now let's go ahead, open up the first door, the passenger side. And underneath here, guys, I just need to go ahead and pop that old orange ambient light out right here, and then go ahead and pop in the new projector, which is this right here. Inside this little box, let's go ahead and just quickly open it up. I believe they also provide a little trim tool, which is nice. Yep, there's a little trim tool. It's called Open Throttle, and these are the LED door projectors that we're going to simply plug into right here. Super easy install. Let's go. Take a look, guys. We went ahead and installed the driver's side door projector, and just look at that. It is so bright for it being like completely daylight outside. Man, these are really gonna pop and stand out at night. But yeah, easy mods today. New carbon fiber spoiler, absolutely looks amazing, totally fitting for the F80. And as you guys saw, passenger side, man, it's super sick. I knew one day once I bought an M, I would own these for my M3. So it's super sick and fitting that I got them on the F80. And I'm just super hyped that the installs today were a 10 out of 10, super straightforward, and made the car look just that much nicer. Yeah, I'm hyped. So as far as mods, guys, if you guys saw the video of me buying the F80 M3, I showed a couple of boxes that were standing in the corner. I went ahead and moved those so you guys want to get any more ideas of what they are, because some of them I want to keep a surprise. I'm gonna go ahead and hold off on those mods for another day in another video. I'm really trying to create a whole bunch of content with my F80 M3, guys. We are gonna resume this vlog tonight. Like I mentioned, I want to show you guys how bright these LED projectors are, and we'll get some more clips of the F80 with the new carbon fiber spoiler installed, so we can continue this little garage vlog. It'll be super sick if it continues to rain tonight, because then we'll have the rain vibes with the F80 sitting in, and I'll get some cool TikToks with the rain or something. I'm also going to pick up the camera right now and start filming a new video that I'm going to post on YouTube of me installing different mods to the F80, but that will be in a new video, so you guys will have to stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and make sure your notification bell is on so that you guys are notified when I post new videos. And yeah, that one's coming very, very soon. I'm just trying to keep a whole bunch of videos in the vault so I can just post back to back every week. That is my plan, just to get as much content in TikToks and YouTube shorts, YouTube vlogs, with the F80 M3. And now that I think about it, you guys might even see the new mod that I'm gonna install right now, because we're gonna be picking up the camera tonight. So you guys will just have to pay close attention, and you guys might spot what modification that we're gonna put on to the F80 right now. But I'm not gonna give any hints, because like I said, that video is coming very soon. I'll see you guys tonight once it's night, and hopefully we'll get some rain. Check it out, guys. We're now back in the garage. It's nighttime. I can go ahead and show you guys a little bit more of the M3 and the parts we installed today. I gotta be careful not to show you guys too much of the F80 right now, because like I said earlier, I did start a new video and I installed a lot more mods to the F80. I did a lot more than I thought I was gonna do today, and unfortunately it is not raining right now. I was really hoping it'd continue raining, but now it is humid as hell. So your boy freshened up, threw on a tank, because I am not trying to sweat right now in the garage with this humidity. I gotta be a little bit careful of what I show you guys, because I don't want to give away too much. But just check out these LED projectors, guys. Like, no joke, these are the best on the market. Like, just take a look at how crisp and HD. Like, I don't know how to like explain it anymore. It's just like HD of how well these are. And you guys saw that little TikTok I posted into this video. I just thought that would be a lot easier, because it was hard to get under there and film, and I wanted to get a TikTok to post of these LEDs, because I know it would do good. Usually like light installs on your car and stuff do well on TikTok, so I definitely wanted to get that TikTok. And just check that out, guys. On the driver's side, so clean, so hard. I've always wanted these, like I said. And take a look of the spoiler, guys. Made the biggest change, and I also did a TikTok on the spoiler install as well. And I'm not gonna cap, guys, it is kind of a little bit difficult trying to film the YouTube video and doing the TikTok, because I have to have 2 tripods and get the right angles so that I can film on this camera, which is horizontal, and then I need to film on my phone, which is vertical. So I'm just like constantly moving around the tripods. But honestly, it is worth it, because I'm like getting twice the videos done with like 1 install, so it's pretty fun. But yeah, I know I'm talking about my TikTok a lot, but if you guys haven't followed me on TikTok and you guys are on TikTok, go give your boy a follow. My TikTok is Global Steez, and you guys can follow it in the description below. I'm gonna make a quick little link to it, and you guys can just give it a quick follow if you guys want to see more content from me. But yeah, guys, the F80 looks so clean. And maybe you guys can see right now another mod that we installed today. And I'm not gonna point it out, because like I said, I'm trying to get a lot of installs and videos like separated, so it's just not into one video. I'm trying to like post like consistently and get a lot of videos out here of the F80. But man, guys, that PSM wing just makes it look so damn aggressive. Like, I'm so hyped. I returned that M style spoiler. I only had it for like a couple days, and I kept on mocking it up. I'm like, man, do I like that one? I was like, no. And I looked at a lot more images, and I saw that the PSM one is just so fitting, especially with having the V style rear diffuser. It's just clean, guys. Like I mentioned earlier, today is just a little chill garage vlog. We did a couple simple installs. Well, I did a lot more than just simple installs today. But in this video, we did 2 installs that made a huge difference. I mean, the LED door projectors didn't that much, but it's a cool little mod. But the wing definitely did. And I'm gonna tell you guys something real quick. And you guys probably already picked up on this as well, like if you tuned into a lot of my videos. But I film a lot of videos of just me in my garage doing installs, showing the cars off and stuff. And I'm gonna tell you guys the exact reason why I post so many videos in my garage, other than like going to like different car meets and going out and about with the cars. I do love driving the cars, but guys, literally back in the day, I grew up at my parents' house, obviously, but I never had a garage to park in. And growing up, I would watch like car YouTube videos all the time. I would see people post their cars all the time, and they would be working in their garage. And I was just like, man, I cannot wait to have a garage one day and just have it like enclosed. I can shut the garage and have the cars like in private. And I just always wanted a garage growing up. Like literally, it was been a dream of mine. As simple as that. It was just a simple dream of just wanting a garage. Nothing too crazy. I just wanted to have a garage. So now that I do, and I've had one for so long, I still like think about those times and think about those days where I'm like, man, I just want a damn garage. I'm tired of doing installs in front of my parents' driveway and like asking my friends to do installs in their garage. Well, their parents. I'd have to ask my friends' parents to ask to use their garage. Like, no kidding. Like, when I did the wide body G35 back in the day, I, no joke, asked my best friends' parents to, if I could have some random stranger I've never met before. I actually hit this guy up. His name was Mo, and he had a wide body G35. Randomly hit him up on Instagram. I knew he lived in Arizona, and I was like, hey, would you be down to help me wide body my G35? I really want to do it. I love how yours looks. And he was down. And I literally had this random stranger, end up being really cool, pull up to my friend's parents' house, and we did that wide body install in my friend's parents' garage in 2 full days. Like, we spent a lot of hours in there. So shout out to my best friend Tanner and his mom for letting me do that, because that video is just legendary, and it's so nostalgic looking back at that video and just like laughing about, like, just using my friend's parents' garage is just like funny to me because I didn't have a garage of my own. So that is why I post so many videos in my garage. A lot of my videos on TikTok and just like shorts are of my cars in my garage. Like, even like the little edits, just I love coming out here and just seeing them parked up like this. And I don't know, guys, it just hits me some type of way. And that's literally why. And you guys might not even think of it or like even care, but I just wanted to put it out there because I have seen some comments say like, yo, you are always in your garage. All your videos are in your garage. Like, go drive your car. And yes, guys, the POV driving videos of me and the M3 are coming very, very soon. I just picked up a new GoPro. I picked up a GoPro 12 and I got like the head mount. So we're gonna have some nice, clean POV drives at like eye level. So I'm really excited about that. And we are gonna be going on a lot of drives in the M3 because that's literally one of my main goals of having this car, is I just want to drive it everywhere. We are going to be going to more car meets soon, but let me tell you guys, the garage videos will never go anywhere. One day we will be upgrading to like a 3-car garage, 4-car garage. Mark my words, we're going to have a 4-car garage one day, or maybe even bigger, and we're going to load it up with the cars. And I'm speaking that into existence, guys. I'm manifesting it. One day I will have a 4-car garage with my family, and we're going to be having the M's, maybe an MX-5. I really want an MX-5, guys. I've been looking at a lot of those lately. I just think they're so clean. And yeah, guys, I'm super hyped with how today went. And I know I'm kind of just yapping, but I mean, if you guys made it this long into the video, I appreciate every single one of you. I swear to God, I mean that. Anyone that's been tuning in my videos, commenting, it does mean a lot to your boy, because I'm just very passionate about this car stuff, and posting these YouTube videos just makes it feel like I'm a little bit part of like the car community in a way, you know. I just really enjoy talking to people about their cars, or helping out anyone with like links, or how I do this, how I do that, like with the cars and stuff. So it's really cool to me. And if you guys are tuning in, leave a comment below. You know your boy is gonna hit you back up. I reply back to everyone that tuned into the YouTube videos and comment on my channel. So don't be afraid to comment, guys. I will definitely get back to you guys once I see your guys' comment. And yeah, we're just chilling out here right now in the F80. I'm actually starting to sweat a little bit, even though I just showered up and I'm all fresh right now, but it's all good. I'll probably even just stay a little bit more out here and just stare at the car. That's pretty much what I have been doing these past couple of days of owning the M3, and just taking random pictures, honestly, of it, especially just how, like, I don't know, sinister and all blacked out and dark it looks like this. It's just literally like the Bruce Wayne spec. That's how I like to call it, the Bruce Wayne spec, because it's just like murdered out black, and it's literally like my type of spec. If you guys have been subscribed for a while, you guys would know like how fitting this car is, and it's just so dope. I picked it up like looking like pretty much like this, but now that we're putting on our own touch, like I have so many mods that I can't wait to install to this car. I just want to do them all to like literally tonight, but then I'll just be kind of bummed because then I have no other mods to install. But yeah, guys, big plans for this car. Like I said, if you guys tuned in this long, like, subscribe, and comment if you guys haven't already. I'll get back to you guys. A lot more F80 M3 content coming. I hope you guys enjoyed this little talk with your boy Steezy into today's outro of the video. A lot more mods coming. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Guys, we out here.